Irashamase. Welcome. Welcome back to Nappy Cat. We're so glad that you can join us today. Oh, cute. In today's video, we're going to talk about two kittens who made an amazing sailing voyage. Puss and Gouton. They are both beautiful brother and sisters, and they traveled when they were still kittens. Puce, P-U-C-E, means flea in French. And Puce is a beautiful black kitty. And Guiton, his sister, she's an all-great kitty. Yes. Well, they're the mascot cats. At barely being weaned, they were called the mascot cats for the ship known as the L'Agre the Third. This ship is amazing because it is literally wooden raft and sailing only. It's not built like a regular ship. It's built like a raft and with a sailing rig hooked up to it. Well, they sailed from Halifax, Nova Scotia with Henry Boudreau and two other sailors. This was just amazing. They made it. They made it across the ocean. The kitties helped the sailors fish and even occasionally providing a lot of entertainment as the kitties would accidentally wrestle and fall overboard. They weren't afraid though. They would take those little claws and they would paddle right back with a couple of kitty strokes, and then they would take the paws, dig it into the wood on the side of the raft and jump right back up. Yes. They had a safety box that they used to put the kitties in anytime that there was foul weather. And these kitties and sailors survived having shark attacks. They survived exposure. They survived storms and the elements. They survived having barely any food at certain times. Yes, it's completely amazing. After 88 days at sea, they all arrived at Falmouth in Cornwall, England. Just amazing. Well, in 88 days, everyone, including these darling kitties, had sailed 2,500 miles. Yes, it's completely amazing, too, because they had shark attacks and everything. And people had said that those kitties would bring good luck and that they would help him. It would help him getting fish and help him with the weather. I think we all know who we can thank for that. Yeah, those cute kitties with all of their kitty good luck. And thank you all for watching this video today. If you like the contents of our videos, don't forget to take those paws and paw that like button. You can paw the subscription button and you can paw the notification bell. Paw all when you paw the notification bell and you will be notified so that you can see all of Nappy Cat's videos. Well, thank you all so very much. And we look forward to seeing you in the